What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend Solana. Currently, we made a juicy trade. We're sitting at 200. We're up about 8% on the day. We're sitting on a market cap of 60.78 billion. 24-hour volume 3.01 billion. Quick shout out to today's video sponsor, Crypto.com, the world's fastest crypto growing app. They have their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. They have crypto earn to earn incredible interest on staking your coins. Bitcoin 6%, all your stable coins 12%, crypto Crow 6%, Ethereum 6.5%. They're partnered with the UFC. They bought the Staples Center. Absolutely incredible platform. My favorite platform for investing. You receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral, and it's incredible time to get involved, in my opinion, and the referrals in the top of the comments. All right, guys, so let's jump into Sol. So we came all the way down to our first buy zone here at 179, and we saw an absolutely beautiful bounce. So far that's been an incredibly juicy trade opportunity here of 13%. Now, in my opinion, I'm not currently trading Sol, but I'm definitely looking to get back into Sol. I would close 25, 50%, but use your own discretion, guys. Remember, it's not financial advice. It's just for reference, all right? So 201, you can see we're hitting some resistance. We're coming up to overbought on the 1 hour RSI. You can see we had our bullish divergence. We saw a beautiful bounce. So I put a bounce zone here at 188. If we do roll over, you can see we bounce right here, bounce right here, bounce right here. So that would be where I would be looking to re-enter Solana, and then I would use the stop loss underneath, and I would set my dollar cost average buy zones once again: 179, 170, 159, 132, 115. I believe I even have one all the way down at 79. Always be prepared for a 40 to 50 to 60 to 70% drop at any time, in my opinion, just to be safe. Better to be safe than to be sorry. All right, guys, if we pop over to the short positions, you can see here with the Solana short positions, we saw a nice increase in shorts, and then now some of the shorts are taking their profits as we've started to sell off. As you can see here, just a little bit of sell off. I'm going to pop over to the 4 hour time frame. Now, one more thing here on the 1 hour is we do have a little bit of a bull flag going on here. So what you can do, if you took your profits, you can trade the breakout with a stop loss, because obviously there's more risk when you're up here trading these types of patterns, because you're trending into overbought, right? But if we do break out of this bull flag, we'll bring you up to our next take profit zone at 216. If we pop over to Sol on the 4 hour time frame, we're just underneath the EMAs. We're just back above the 20 EMA, which is a good sign here. So if we can get back above the 55 and hold 201 as support, I do think it's a little bit more likely that we do a little bit of something like this, and then we bounce back up to the upside, or we may not come down that far. We may just consolidate here a little bit, allow the RSI to come back down into a healthy range, and then see continuation. If we pop over to Solana here on the, here on the daily time frame, we're still fighting to get back above this trend line. I have noticed another pattern here, which is a symmetrical triangle, as you can see here. Created support, resistance, support, resistance, support. So if we throw back up into the pattern, resistance, support, breakout. If we do break out to the upside here, what you do is you measure the body, and then you give you your breakout target, take you right up to the 1.414 extension, coming in at 284 for Solana. If we were to break down, of course, I'll give you your breakdown target as well. It's all the way down here at about 147. I don't think that's as likely. We do have a strong level of support, the 0.786 coming in at $1.90 for Sol. We're still underneath the EMAs, as you can see here. Let me just quickly erase these. As you can see here, we're underneath the EMAs on the daily. So it would be crucial for us to push back up above the EMAs if we're going to see continuation for Solana here. If we look at Sol on the weekly, we're basically consolidating, allowing the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candles, which is healthy, guys. Of course, all eyes on Bitcoin. We do have a level resistance coming here at 53.1K. We're back above the 20 EMA on the 4 hour, but we are trending into overbought on the 1 hour time frame. So that's something to keep a close eye on as well, because of course Bitcoin controls the market. So that's basically it for Sol. Our bull run targets based off our Elliott wave theory is coming in at 506. Sorry guys, let me open this back up, which is the 2.272. If you're new to Elliott wave, make sure to Google research it, look up some videos. I just don't want to explain it as I have in previous videos, but there's a lot of incredible knowledge on Elliott wave theory on the internet. So our dollar cost average buy zones, you can reset them 179, 170, 157, 132, 115, and 79. If you're spot trading equal amounts at each buy zone to bring down your average price halfway each time. Leverage trading, which is what I do, 2 to 3x leverage is what I recommend, no more, because your liquidation will be too high if you're using 5 to 10x leverage. The strategy doesn't work. I am trading on Bybit. If you want to check out my full length tutorial, there's a link in the description as well as pinned at the end of the video. Up to $600 in bonuses. All right, guys, that's basically it for this one. Our take profit levels here for Sol. We have 201. We have 216. We've already hit this take profit level. So we have 216, 231, 257. And I have 312 as well, which is based off our Fibonacci from our swing high down to our crash wick low. And if we're going to see our next impulsive wave, your target is the 1.618 coming in at 312.77. All right, guys, quick shout out to the Discord. I'm now posting these in the Discord for you guys to see at all times. So if you want to check your buy zones, your take profit zones, it's here in the Discord. We also have over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns, incredible community. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Much love. Take care.